Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many of the brands included in this list are widely recognized and trusted by automotive enthusiasts, but Royal Purple stands out as a favorite among owners of high-performance vehicles. The company has built a strong reputation for producing oils that meet rigorous standards, and its products carry the latest API and ILSAC engine oil certifications. In addition, Royal Purple's oils are approved by GM for Dexos 1 gasoline engines, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of vehicles. Royal Purple synthetic oil incorporates advanced additive technology designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact, surpassing the protection offered by GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. This not only enhances engine performance but also improves fuel economy while safeguarding vital exhaust emissions systems. The oil's patented anti-wear chemistry is specifically engineered to minimize the negative impact that exhaust gases can have on catalytic converters and other emission-related components, helping vehicles run cleaner and longer. For drivers who use gasoline blended with ethanol, Royal Purple is particularly effective. Its unique additive formula combats the formation of harmful white sludge and prevents lubrication starvation, issues that can arise when higher concentrations of ethanol are present in fuel. This makes it an excellent choice for vehicles regularly fueled with E10 or higher ethanol blends, ensuring consistent protection and performance under demanding conditions. While Royal Purple is priced higher than many competing oils, it consistently ranks among the most popular and highly rated synthetic oils on the market. Its combination of superior protection, fuel efficiency benefits, and advanced additive technology makes it a worthwhile investment for drivers who want reliable, long-lasting engine performance. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. If you own a diesel engine and are seeking a high-quality synthetic oil, Shell's Rotella line is an excellent choice. Designed to go beyond the capabilities of conventional 15W30 oils, Rotella T6 can improve fuel economy by up to 2.8%, making it an efficient option for drivers looking to reduce fuel costs without compromising performance. Its triple protection plus formula combines fully synthetic base oils with advanced additives, providing comprehensive protection for engine components while extending overall engine life. This formulation is specifically designed to safeguard against the harmful effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that can accumulate in diesel engines, helping maintain optimal performance over time. Rotella T6 is engineered with shear stability, which helps resist viscosity breakdown under extreme operating conditions. This ensures the oil maintains consistent thickness and protects moving parts, while also helping preserve proper oil pressure throughout the engine. The product is suitable for a wide range of diesel-powered vehicles, including commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and other engines that require an SAE 5W30 oil. Its versatility and durability make it particularly valuable in northern climates, where cold weather can challenge conventional oils and impact starting performance. With Shell Rotella T6, diesel owners benefit from a premium synthetic oil that balances fuel efficiency, engine protection, and long-term reliability. Its combination of advanced technology, additive chemistry, and shear resistance makes it a trusted choice for drivers who want to maximize engine longevity while maintaining optimal performance under demanding conditions. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil features a cutting-edge full synthetic formula designed to provide superior protection and long-lasting engine performance. Engineered to help prevent deposits and sludge buildup, this oil promotes cleaner engines and extends engine life, even under demanding driving conditions. Its advanced formulation helps maintain stable oil viscosity over time, ensuring consistent lubrication and reliable performance across a wide range of temperatures and operating environments. The precise balance of high-performance additives in Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil delivers exceptional wear protection, reducing friction between engine components and helping prevent premature wear. Its thermal and oxidation stability is outstanding, which means it resists breaking down under high heat, maintaining its protective properties for longer periods. This durability helps ensure that engines continue running smoothly and efficiently, even during extended oil change intervals. In addition to high-temperature performance, this oil excels in cold weather conditions. Its excellent low-temperature fluidity enables quicker engine starts, allowing fast lubrication from the moment the engine is started. This rapid protection helps minimize wear during cold starts, which is one of the most stressful times for engine components, and contributes to extended engine life over the long term. Overall, Mobil BUEN Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is a premium choice for drivers seeking a reliable, high-performance synthetic oil that offers excellent protection, maintains stable viscosity, and helps engines stay cleaner and last longer. Its combination of advanced additive technology, thermal stability, and superior cold weather performance makes it a standout option for anyone looking to maximize engine longevity and efficiency in all driving conditions. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered using the company's patented Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a process that converts natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This unique approach produces a base oil that Pennzoil claims is 99.5% pure, significantly reducing impurities compared to conventional oils derived from crude oil. When paired with a high-performance additive system, this oil helps engines run cleaner and more efficiently, potentially providing up to 550 extra miles of driving per year in fuel economy compared to engines using conventional oil that has accumulated deposits. This synthetic oil is particularly well-suited for modern turbocharged engines, offering protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a phenomenon that can cause serious engine damage. In addition, Pennzoil Platinum flows quickly even in extreme cold, ensuring rapid lubrication during cold starts, while in very high temperatures it resists evaporation, helping maintain stable oil levels and consistent protection. One of the standout benefits of Pennzoil Platinum is its ability to keep pistons up to 50% cleaner than the already stringent requirements of the Sequence IIIH test, one of the toughest standards in the industry. This contributes to long-term engine cleanliness and performance. Pennzoil Platinum meets or exceeds a wide range of specifications, approvals, and recommendations, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It also surpasses industry standards such as API-SN+, API-SN-RC, all previous API categories, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1, making it a versatile and reliable choice for drivers seeking maximum protection and efficiency from a premium full synthetic motor oil. Number 5. Mobil BUEN High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For drivers looking to extend the life of engines with higher mileage, Mobil BUEN High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil is an excellent choice. Specifically formulated for engines with over 75,000 miles, this advanced synthetic oil provides superior lubrication and wear protection compared to conventional high-mileage oils. It helps safeguard critical engine components in older vehicles while reducing the buildup of sludge and deposits that can accumulate over time with standard oils. In addition, its carefully designed formula works to minimize leaks, a common concern for aging engines with naturally worn seals. Mobil BUEN's proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils delivers proven protection that can help engines reach up to 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. The oil includes a boosted concentration of seal conditioners to maintain flexibility and prevent hardening or shrinking of rubber seals, which is a leading cause of leaks in older engines. This feature makes it particularly valuable for vehicles that have seen significant mileage but still require reliable protection for daily driving or long trips. This high-mileage synthetic oil is available in various viscosity grades to match different engine requirements. It meets or exceeds industry standards including API-SN+, SN, SM, and SL, ensuring reliable performance across a wide range of vehicles. Certain grades also meet or exceed ACEA specifications A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5, offering additional assurance for European and performance engines. With its combination of advanced synthetic technology, seal protection, and superior wear resistance, Mobil 1 high-mileage synthetic oil is a trusted choice for extending engine life and maintaining optimal performance in higher-mileage vehicles.